We have Mr. Yathiraj Kasal from Wipro 3D with us. Welcome to IMTEX. So, what are your expectations from IMTEX 2025 and how the show has been for you so far?
So the show has been really great. This is the first day of IMTEX, and IMTEX never disappoints. So a lot of footfalls in the day one itself. Excited to interact with the industry experts as well as the new prospects and customers, and the way industry is heading towards 3D printing and digital manufacturing. We are really excited towards the future of 3D printing.
This product Wipro 3D F300.
Yep.
So this space is a bit crowded in India. So what are the key features and why are the customers preferring? And I've seen a lot of new implementations across the country happening for Wipro.
Actually, a great question. Polymer printing is really a crowded industry. Don't deny that. But we are coming from the metal background. So around from almost a decade or so, we have been doing the metal 3D printing and working on the applications which are industry specific and actually the functional parts. So we have a very deep understanding of what industry needs and what are the industry criteria which it is looking for. And from that point of view, we actually developed the F300, keeping the customer in the right front and center. What does he need, and what machine would actually meet his requirement? We developed the machine from that kind of a point of view, and the product is here as you can see it, and it's an industry-ready, industry-grade printer, which comes with a 300 by 300 by 300 build volume, which is the most appropriate build volume for the industry applications. It can actually handle most of the industry requirements, and it comes with 12 different materials options, heated chamber, IoT enabled, which is basically like very futuristic approach, and it comes with a heated bed, which makes it possible for you to really do a lot of industry grade polymers, which basically means again the functional parts can be printed on this particular printer.
This particular the Wipro 3D F300, you've used Autodesk as a partner.
Yeah.
Why Autodesk?
So Autodesk, it was a very kind of a strategic choice. The tool, the platform itself, the Fusion, Autodesk Fusion, we used it for modeling, the 3D design, modeling, drafting, assembly, and even actually the kinetic or kinematic analysis to understand where the moving parts will hit each other or whether they will not hit each other, kind of thing. So if you see the printer, it has a lot of moving parts, and the kinematic analysis was one of the critical feature which we used. And when all these features are available on a single platform, a lot of concurrent design can be possible, and that gives you a lot of advantage in terms of the turnaround time and the time to market the product itself. So one is the concurrent design, which Autodesk Fusion makes it possible, and also the time to market because the concurrent design is available. And another one, what we really found helpful is their annual lease kind of an option, which kind of reduces the cost of ownership of the product itself.
So Autodesk Fusion has been a great design and development partner for you.
Yeah, it has been really helpful in developing the printer for us. Not just the printer, the tool, the Autodesk Fusion tool is also a lot of, it has its own capability in creating the models using generative design, which we typically print. One of the print which you can see as it is happening. So the product itself, the printer itself was designed using Autodesk Fusion, and even the model which is getting printed inside, that is also modeled using Autodesk Fusion.
That's amazing. How Fusion has improved efficiency, precision, development cycles, and cost saving.
So like I mentioned earlier, the critical feature which really helped us reduce the time to market and the cost of design itself is the concurrent design. So having all the functionalities in one platform, that becomes really handy for us, and not to look for any other tool or platform. So that has been the critical driver for us on this particular product development.
So this also helps you to be helps as a great advantage to be more competitive in the market.
Yes, absolutely. From time to market, cost of design, everywhere.
The market in India for your printer.
Yeah. So,
So what's the future and what's where the growth coming in for you from?
So actually in Imtex we are bringing out two versions of the F300. So the one you see here is a Dash 1, which is a single nozzle variant, and there is a two nozzle variant as well. So this was made, the single nozzle and the dual nozzle variant, they were actually brought into action to address two different market segments. One is the academia and another one is the industry where they want the dual material and those kind of capabilities. So looking at the requirements of academia, which is typically the research and learning and upskilling kind of requirement, as well as the industry where they want multiple materials and productivity, quality, speed. So we have been able to introduce two different variants to address different market needs of the entire market. And we are seeing a very good traction as of now on how this product is addressing the needs of the market, and we're excited to put it in the hands of the customer and get their feedback. The single nozzle variant is just getting launched.
Amazing, all the best, and thank you so much for giving such wonderful insights on.
Thanks a lot. Thanks, Sai.
Thank you, sir.